Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market and checking out the links for either E-Trade or M1 where you can save and trade fractional stocks, or Webull, which is usually giving away a couple free stocks for just depositing $100. So I strongly invite you to invest in your future and check them out. Thanks, and let's get to the video. 2016 Nissan Sentra SV rear brake shoes, rear brake shoe replacement. Cleaned it up already with some brake clean, looking pretty nice, pretty thin. Take a good look at it. And I've never done this before, so this will be a first. Mostly curious about this kind of setup here. Kind of cool. So, probably take the upper spring off, take the two clips off the side, take the lower clip off, and see what happens. So I don't know how easy it is yet. I'm going to turn the star wheel. Turn the star wheel in there because it's out pretty far. So we can turn the star wheel and bring it in close, and the spring will have less tension on it and be easier to remove. So there's a little foot down here, I think, that keeps engaged with the teeth so that you can't just easily turn it. So I'm going to hold that spring down so we can turn on the teeth. Hold that spring down so we can turn the teeth and hopefully collapse this. It's a theory. I'm going to remove this spring. So that's how I'm going to do it. Taking it out this way. Sorry about the focus. Oh, that's great. Kind of exploded apart, but hey. I've got the other side to look at to compare. Probably get this whole assembly in my new shoe kit. And then we can wipe down all these pad spots. Looks like they got some lithium grease on them already. But we can wipe these down and reapply some new, maybe anti-seize or lubricant. And we are ready for reinstallation.
I bet there probably is a better way.
There we go. And we'll slide our drum on. So I'll be sliding the drum on, but I need to adjust it up a little bit. I already know that it's too far. And this has got the finger up on the top. I'm just going to turn it like this though. And we're going to go this way. You can see it's widening right here. Get your drums machined usually, or get new ones. It's awfully loose. So we're going to keep adjusting. Just going to keep adjusting. We'll be right back. All right, I've given it a few more turns. It's feeling a little better. Doesn't have the wobble it did. Now they say they don't want any drag. But there's a little bit of drag in there, but I'm happy with this. Spins a little bit. Theoretically, if you use the emergency brake, whoops, sorry, crazy. That was probably terrible. Theoretically, if you use the emergency brake or use the brakes, that wheel should self-adjust some. So I feel pretty good with this teeny tiny bit of drag I hear on the brake shoes, and that's about it. Do the same for the other side. And then go ahead and tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern. Put the tire on, tighten them as tight as you can when it's off the ground in a crisscross pattern. Torque spec for the lug nuts is 83 foot-pounds. All right, we're under the hood of the 2016 Nissan Sentra. Looking at the brake fluid level. Looks like we get a nice maximum right here. Just a little bit above it. And there's a minimum down here, so keep your fluid level somewhere between that. I've pumped the brakes 6 or 7 times to set the calipers in their spot, so the fluid level is going to be where it's at. We use a turkey base or a clean rag and suck some out if we wanted to. So like a twist top cap. .3 brake fluid. So there you go, master cylinder. Not a lot to it. Just make sure it's above the minimum and below the maximum, and you'll be good to go. Good luck to you.